Sawadee krap, welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. It's Monday, October 8th, and I'm your host, JP Mestanza, with the news you need to know. Despite burning to a crisp in just 20 minutes, officials from Wichit municipality, they're saying that the Tribhum attraction at Central Phuket Floresta Mall met all the required safety standards. The fire that burnt the attraction at the mall took place the morning of September 29th, and while no one was hurt in the incident, firefighters from local areas all came out in force to put the blaze under control, but it all burnt down in just 20 minutes. Which begs the question, what was the entire thing made out of? Well, according to Kumron Leilert of Wichit Municipality's engineering department, the material was, quote, fiberglass mixed with other materials, although they're not sure exactly what other materials, and an investigation into the fire is currently underway. The area surrounding the Tribhum attraction, which was set to open next month, it's been closed for 30 days pending an investigation, and damage caused to the attraction was roughly in the region of 10 million baht. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. With no deadline date set and despite a Supreme Court ruling, it seems as though the chief of XTRA municipality and the Phuket Legal Execution Department, the PLED, they keep passing the responsibility of giving out illegal beachfront businesses to each other. In a meeting with new Phuket Governor Pakapong Tavipana last week, Maan Samran, the chief of XTRA Administration Organization, was questioned about his ability to carry out the Supreme Court evictions, which was handed down November of last year, in which the businesses on Layan and Lepang beaches were found to be encroaching on public land and have to leave. Despite previous deadlines, the businesses are still there, and Maan told the governor that they are waiting on a letter from the PLED to be sent with explicit instructions on how to carry out the evictions. But PLED officials say local authorities are expected to make the first step. The PLED director told the Phuket News, quote, "Our role is just to support officials in enforcing the law. That's all," insinuating that the municipality should go ahead with the evictions. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. An 18-year-old is now dead and 2 men are in custody after a fatal shooting on Saturday afternoon in what police say could be over a business conflict. 18-year-old Chakapong Pongpat, the son of a village headman in the Tepkasatri district in Phuket, he was coming back from a shopping run with a friend when 2 men on another motorbike began to follow them. And when Chakrapong finally got to his home, one of the men in the other bike walked up to him and shot him once in the head. The suspects then fled. Bystanders took Chakrapong to Talang Hospital before he was transferred over to Vashira Phuket Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. But just this morning, police arrested 2 suspects, 20-year-old Sutat Sardi and 21-year-old Jirapong Jongchiklang, after they were identified in arrest warrants just last night. An investigation is now underway, although police say that from their initial investigation, the shooting seemed to be motivated by, in quote, individual conflict and dark business. Visit thephuket.news.com for more. Sit tight. Phuket Extra will be right back after this.
For 14 years, heroes have been coming together to help an ancient creature that has inhabited these lands for millions of years. The 14th annual Fun Run and Half Marathon in support of sea turtle conservation. Four distances: 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. The Half Marathon. See you there.
Welcome back to Phuket Extra. Caught red-handed with guns and several paws from an Asian bear cat, 12 people, including 1 senior district official from Kanchanaburi province, are now sitting in jail on charges of wildlife poaching and illegal possession of wildlife carcasses. The caravan of 6 vehicles was stopped when it was leaving Sayok National Park. A group of 12 adults and 3 children were in the vehicles, and reports say that park rangers found within them a rifle with a sound suppressor, a pistol, ammunition, and 4 paws from the Asian bearcat. The group include a district official from Kanchanaburi who threatened to sue, and the entire group denied killing any animals, saying one person brought the paws with them. Meanwhile, their guns are being sent for forensic examination. An anonymous source is telling the Bangkok Post that the Energy Ministry is considering subsidizing fuel prices for motorbike taxi drivers who are on welfare. The new scheme would affect 100,000 motorbike taxi drivers, all of whom are welfare smart card holders living below the poverty line, and it's all a way to shield them from rising oil prices. The subsidy is meant to help motorbike taxi drivers who are also welfare recipients to either buy cheaper fuel or the government to help pay for the cost, although assistance measures are still being considered. And that's it for Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. From all of us here at the Phuket News Center, thank you for watching, and until tomorrow, stay classy, Phuket.